You've reached this point because you've completed the syllabus quiz. Thank you. And now we can get into Chapter 1. As you know, in the syllabus, we'll probably cover 2 chapters a week. This first week, maybe only Chapter 1, just to make sure both you and I get a chance to work out the glitches with this new system. But this chapter is basically an introduction to Linux. So I will be posting this video in the Week in Linux session. And like with most classes, or at least what you should see, is I'll give you a video on what to expect for the week. Give you a set of resources. Here you got PowerPoint for Chapter 1. I've got a post of several links and videos that should help with this material. You click on the Read More, and you should see videos pop up and links to different information. So all of this should help you gather the material. And then as far as the assignments for this week, first one is basically an introduction. So in this case, I don't care if it's PowerPoint, video, Google Slides, Google Docs, whatever, Word document, whatever you want. You get the idea. Just, give me a picture. That way I can try to correlate. Even though this is a seated class, some of you have not had in class before, so it helps. And then 5 questions you need to answer. I want you to answer. Qualities you look for in a good teacher. What are you passionate about? If there's one big question you'd have for this year, being 2020, new decade, new year, there's got to be a big question you want answered. And then, what are your strengths? And is there a way we can utilize them in this class? So let me know. And then, for you, what does success look like? Each of you got a different perspective. Some of it's just gathering information. Some of it's get a specific grade. Some of it's, hey, I just want to pass. So just give me an idea. So that's the first thing. The second assignment for this week is the reflection journal. Like I said, this one I use for attendance. Even though this is a seated class, I still use it for attendance. In theory, they're due Monday nights, but I give you until Wednesday midnight before I cut off the submissions. And then when I take attendance on Thursdays, that's what I go back to. And it's also a reminder that this reflection journal, just by doing them, give me some feedback, the 100 words, free form, anything you want, it's worth 3% to your grade. So that should, for some of you, that may make a difference between passing and not. And then we're in this first chapter, and you got to have an exam. So there'll be several of these. Hopefully I've got it set up right in NetAcad. For those of you who are taking a networking class and this Linux class, you just have to be careful you're taking the right, make sure you're in the right class. So you're going to take the exam in NetAcad, and then I will copy the scores back over to Moodle. So hopefully that, we'll see how that goes. And that should do it for this week. So if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.